Understanding tight hamstrings.
Tight hamstrings are a common issue for many people, especially those who sit for long periods or are active in sports. Stiffness in the back of the thigh can limit movement, increase discomfort, and raise injury risk. Gentle yoga stretches can help gradually lengthen and relax the hamstrings, improving flexibility and supporting overall leg health.
Key yoga poses for hamstring flexibility.
Several yoga poses effectively target tight hamstrings. Forward fold, also called Uttanasana, stretches the entire back of the legs. Downward facing dog provides both a stretch and strength challenge. Reclining hand to big toe pose, or Supta Padangustasana, allows greater control and gentle stretching, making it ideal even for beginners.
Modifying poses for safety and comfort.
If your hamstrings are especially tight, modifications can make poses more accessible. Use yoga blocks under your hands in forward fold to reduce strain. In downward dog, bend your knees slightly to avoid overstretching. A yoga strap around your foot in reclined hand to big toe pose helps you reach without forcing flexibility.
Tips for progress and consistency.
Consistency is key for improving hamstring flexibility. Practice these stretches regularly, ideally several times a week. Move slowly, focus on your breath, and avoid bouncing or forcing any position. Notice gradual progress over time and celebrate small gains in flexibility and ease of movement.
When to be cautious.
Listen to your body and avoid pushing into pain. If you experience sharp or persistent discomfort, ease off and consult a professional if needed. Tight hamstrings sometimes result from underlying conditions or injuries, so take care with new routines. Yoga should feel challenging but supportive, never painful.